Hey, what's up guys? This is Maria here, and yeah, I know I'm in my office right now with my nice PJs that I'm wearing. I'm actually up here for a reason. We are infested with bees, with the yellow jackets. Bees. I don't know why I'm not looking at my camera up there, except I see myself right there, but yeah. We are infested with yellow jackets. One I can see by a window, like by a window here. And then we also were infested with two by the side, like one out the side by my window and another one back in our porch. We have this wooden stub that is infested with bees that are still there again, that just finally came back. So they did some kind of termite kind of stuff. They sprayed in the bees, so once one of the bees has the stuff in it doesn't know it's there, so all the bees are trying to come in, and once they all touch each other and spread it like a disease, they all eventually die. So I already got stung by one bee. Somehow, for some reason, I didn't see that there was a dead bee on our couch downstairs in my little computer room, and I must have put my elbow on the couch rest, so the couch and the dead bee sting went right into my elbow. So, like always, and for a total girly girl, I freaked out, screamed, cried like a little bitch. I know, shouldn't have said the language, but I cried like a freaking baby. Like I never cried before. I usually never cry unless I get frustrated with work. But I cried like crazy. I scared the bejeebies out of my mom, because she probably thought that I broken something or something badly happened. So yeah, this is just a random vlog that I decided to make today. And please subscribe, thumbs up, and comment on what I should do next. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye!